Hey everyone, I'm going to go over the changes for the new event system. So what we're looking at doing is we wanted to streamline how the event rewards are done and kind of standardize them across some of the events. So previously in stuff like boss fights or parry events, we would hand out a different reward for every round of boss fight, or the fairies would have a chance to drop fairy handbags and stuff like that. The fairy handbags, for example, or the honeybee honey, that stuff's still going to drop. This is just on top of that. So the new system deals with event coins and tracks your progress for how often you participate in stuff like boss fight or fairy or honeybee or summer or Halloween, any of the PvE farming events, right? So instead of dropping a different unique reward every round of boss fight, we're going to drop event coins, right? So every round of boss fight, I'm going to run this command, event reward, and it's going to drop an event coin in every player's inventory, right? And I'm just going to spam it a few times so I can show you that sometimes it drops 1 coin, sometimes it drops 5, and sometimes it drops 10, right? So there's a 10, and there's a 5, right? So these give 1 point toward your event coins, these give 5, and these give 10, right? And that's reflected in the names there. Additionally, there are titles for participating in events, and you can check how many you participated in by typing add events, right? 49 events. And it's not truly 49 events. I'll get into that in a second, right? But let's say that I'm doing boss fight and you start and you participated in 49 and then we do 1 round, right? Event reward. I get an event coin and then I do events again. Now I'm up to 50, right? So what do the points mean? The points are for the new titles. There are 5 new titles: Partygoer, Reveler, Merrymaker, Eventaholic, and Spirit of Events. Each title gives an 8% higher drop rate to event coins during events. So on stuff like Fairy Weekend or Honeybee Weekend or during the summer event or the Bunny event, Halloween, Christmas, all of those. Normal mobs can drop event coins with the same drop rate as Wagyu. It's like a 1 in 500 chance per mob. Uh, Additionally, you get a 10% bonus if the mob is within 7 levels of you. So it incentivizes you to kind of stay near your level. On top of that, the actual event mobs have a higher drop rate. So, like a fairy, for example, will have a higher drop rate for event coins than, say, any regular mob, right? Same with Christmas mobs and Halloween and all that. So, what do you do with the event coins, right? You can consume them to use in the event machine here. So I've got 86 event coins right now. If I consume this, I'll go up to 87. If I consume this, it should be 92 and then 102, right? And you can use them in the event machine. The event machine contains all of the cosmetics for the event rewards that are out of season, right? So if you wanted to get like a Halloween outfit and it's not Halloween, this is how you would do it. You would go use your event coins and then you would draw from the event machine, right? So I'm gonna pull. Let's see what I get. See, I got a Halloween backpack, right? And every cosmetic for every Halloween, or sorry, every cosmetic for every event is in here. And as we add new holiday events and stuff, we'll throw those in here as well. I think there is something like 100 items in here right now. Um, so on top of that, when you pull for the event machine, it also counts towards gambler and your gambler title, and you get Wagyu points, right? So if I do gambler, 5785, and then I draw one, it should be 5786 now, if I don't have any bugs. Yeah, 5786. So I got the point toward the gambler title, and then let's double check the Wagyu. So I have 37707. I'm gonna draw, and it should go up by 50, so to 37757. I'm going to refresh the Wagyu shop. 37,757, right? So that's how you would get the out-of-season holiday cosmetics. But if you wanted to get the silver boxes or the autopots or the stuff like that that we would normally do during boss fights, you can also do that here. You can bring the yellow event coins here and trade them in for autopots, silver boxes, CCBD coupons, pet food, all that stuff, right? You can trade them for Wagyus, and these are converters. So if you have a blue coin and you want to turn it into 5 yellow coins to be used in this shop, you can do that here. Same with purple. This one converts into 10. So that's all of the titles. Let's see, what else is there? So we were targeting 3 play styles, right? We wanted the PvE players to be able to get these by participating in the boss fights and in the farming events. We wanted the cashers to have an option to get them. So what we did was, here in the cash shop, on the very last page, you can buy event coins, as you can see right here, for the same prices as Wagyu. So the point of these is so that you can still get them, but we didn't want to actually like directly sell silver boxes or anything like that. Anything in this vendor here. We didn't want to directly sell these. So the event coins that you buy in the cash shop cannot be used here, right? So as soon as you buy one in the cash shop and it gets here, I've got 99 event coins. If I try and claim one of these, it's just going to go straight to my balance. You can't actually use the cash shop event coins here, but you can use the cash shop event coins in the event machine to get cosmetics. So the cash ones are cosmetic only. As for PvP, the next time we run like a double ranked event, I'll implement some logic for getting event coins from PvP as well, so the PvP players can get them. We might look into putting them into the Mudosa vendors. We'll see. I don't know about that. But we'll go from there. I think that's everything. Oh, there's one last change. I'll show you. So during the fairy event, the fish was previously dropping handbags. 21207. See if I can actually kill this thing without purging it. Probably. So previously, this fish dropped 49 or 50 fairy handbags, 50 bundles of zenny, and 1 bundle of 10 Wagyu coins. But now it drops event coins. Every one of these little presents is 1 event coin. So if you run across a fish, it's pretty lucrative now because you can get, if you're the only one there, you can get 50 event coins from it, right? And every time you get an event coin in the wild and one drops from a mob or a fairy or anything like that, you're going to get 1 point toward the title as well. Alright guys, I think that's everything for the event update. If you have any questions, just come over to Discord and let me know. We're at www.discord.dboglobal.to. And I'll leave all that in the description. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. See you later.